War had begun. The colonies had no army, no nation, no turning back. When the Second Continental Congress met, they gambled everything, choosing Washington, raising an army, and lighting the fuse of American independence. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn about the history in the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting true history in the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. Please like, subscribe and share this video and channel. In May 1775, delegates returned to Philadelphia, but this time, blood had already been shed at Lexington and Concord. Debate had turned into war. The Second Continental Congress brought together delegates from all 13 colonies, including Georgia, which had stayed away the first time. Key voices filled the room: John Adams, Samuel Adams, Benjamin Franklin, Thomas Jefferson, and George Washington. The First Congress had petitioned and protested. The Second governed. It no longer asked Britain for rights, it began acting as a national authority. Congress created the Continental Army and unanimously appointed George Washington as commander-in-chief, uniting the colonies under one leader. They printed money, supplied troops, negotiated alliances, managed logistics, and coordinated resistance, running a war with no precedent. In July 1776, the Congress approved the Declaration of Independence, transforming rebellion into a revolution and colonies into states. The Second Continental Congress didn't just lead a war, it built a nation while fighting for its survival.